Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Pyrex lunch containers are probably one of the most versatile and reliable solutions for keeping your meals fresh and organized, whether you're packing a healthy lunch for work, storing leftovers, or prepping meals for the week ahead. These containers are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, offering a durable and convenient way to transport your food without worrying about leaks or spills. With their stackable design and clear visibility, they make meal management a breeze, ensuring you always have a delicious and satisfying meal ready to go. Number 5. FineDine Premium Borosilicate Glass Meal Prep Containers. Discover the exceptional durability and clarity of our premium borosilicate glass food storage containers. They are the perfect choice for anyone seeking high-quality, long-lasting kitchenware for everyday use. Keep your food fresher for longer with these airtight food storage containers. The precision-fit lids create a secure seal, preserving the flavor and freshness of your meals and leftovers. Simplify your meal preparation and reheating with our versatile glass containers. They are safe for both microwave and oven use, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. Maximize your kitchen space with these stackable glass containers. Their efficient design allows for easy storage, whether you're organizing your pantry, fridge, or cabinets. Prioritize your health with our BPA-free glass food containers. You can trust in the safety and quality of these containers for all your kitchen storage needs. What we like. This option offers premium borosilicate glass for superior durability and clarity. Its airtight seal keeps food fresher for longer, and it's convenient for oven use. If you prioritize long-lasting quality and versatile cooking options, this is a great choice for your meal prep. What people say. These are easy to open and close. Spill-proof and durable. Glass is sturdy. Lids snap easily but keep container secure. Glass bottoms wash well in dishwasher. Variety of sizes have worked out great. The lids do not seem to retain smells from foods that it has been stored in them. The hinge joint is solid and durable construction. Plastic lids don't crack or tear as other products do. They are great for stacking with the lids on, and all 24 just fit in my cabinet. The lids on these containers have plastic pins in them and they close like they're supposed to. I can reheat in these just fine and no microplastic worries. There's a good variety of sizes. Number 4. Pyrex Simply Store 6-piece glass food storage set. Introducing the Pyrex Simply Store set, designed to simplify your life. This collection offers a convenient way to store your food safely and efficiently. With a variety of sizes included, you can easily manage your meals. From small snacks to larger portions, these containers adapt to your needs. Crafted from high-quality tempered glass, these containers resist stains and odors. You can store your food with confidence, knowing they'll stay fresh and clean. The BPA-free plastic lids are designed for your convenience. They are safe for use in the freezer, microwave, and dishwasher, making reheating and storage a breeze. Enjoy perfectly fitting lids that keep your food fresh and delicious. The sleek navy blue lids add a touch of style to your kitchen storage. Pyrex has been a trusted name in glassware for generations. Experience the affordability and durability that cooks of all levels rely on for their storage needs. What we like. This set provides a convenient 6-piece collection with 3 different sizes to accommodate various meal portions. The tempered glass resists stains and odors, and the lids are BPA-free for safe reheating. If you're looking for an everyday, reliable set for general food storage and meal prepping, this Pyrex option is a solid pick. What people say. Heavier glass, but not overly heavy. A good strong glass that feels like it will last. Pretty blue lids, stay on, and no problems with them. They nest together, as well. These bowls and lids are dishwasher safe, and the bowls are microwave safe. Very durable, dishwasher safe, the lids are holding up well and still provide a great seal. These bowls are wonderful for food prep and storage. They hold heat well for warm foods during serving. Round shape is easier to clean and the lids fit snugly enough to be airtight. Lids are much easier and faster to clean than the snap-down type with gaskets. Number 3. Glass food storage containers with lids airtight. Introducing a set of 20 glass food storage containers designed for your everyday needs. They are perfect for meal prepping, storing leftovers, and taking meals on the go. Our innovative hinged lids create an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh and preventing any leaks. Take them to the gym, pool, or work with confidence. Crafted from durable, high borosilicate glass, these containers are built to last. They are non-porous and free from harmful chemicals like BPA. These containers can withstand a wide range of temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit in the freezer to 752 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven. They are also microwave and dishwasher safe for your convenience. Enjoy the ease of use with lids that are simple to open and close. While the glass containers and lids are dishwasher safe, hand washing the lids is recommended for extended durability. We are committed to providing you with a better life. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, our customer service will offer the best solution within 12 hours. What we like. This extensive 20-piece set features innovative hinged lids for easy opening and closing, plus a leak-proof design. The high borosilicate glass is safe for a wide range of temperatures. If you need a large quantity of versatile containers for on-the-go meals or extensive food storage, this set is ideal. What people say. The airtight lids keep everything fresh, and the seal is secure without being hard to open. The clear design makes it easy to see what's inside, and they stack neatly to save space. Great for leftovers and microwave safe. Number 2. Pyrex 7200 2-cup glass bowl with lid, 3-pack. Introducing the Pyrex 7200 2-cup glass bowl and lid set. This pack includes 3 bowls and 3 matching dark blue lids, all proudly made in the USA. Crafted with durability in mind, these feature non-porous tempered glass bowls and BPA-free plastic lids. They are built to last and ensure your food stays fresh. Enjoy ultimate convenience with these versatile bowls. They are safe to use in the refrigerator, freezer, and microwave, making food storage and reheating a breeze. Designed for a perfect fit, each lid is made specifically for its corresponding bowl. This ensures a secure seal every time, preventing spills and maintaining freshness. Cleanup is simple and easy. Both the glass bowls and the plastic lids are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after meal preparation. What we like. This pack includes 3 2-cup bowls made in the USA with durable, BPA-free lids. They are designed for specific compatibility, ensuring a secure fit for storage. If you need small, individual-sized containers for specific purposes or replacements for existing Pyrex bowls, this is a perfect match. What people say. Great small bowls for a little leftovers. Helps us reduce plastic usage, plus you can microwave the leftovers right in them. They're bigger than they look. Like the straight sides, adds to capacity. Great in the dishwasher, wish my glasses would come out like they do, no etching. These are really nice quality. I love the idea of having glass containers. They keep things fresher. The lids are airtight, so no frostbite in the freezer. Excellent quality, perfect size for saving a single serving of spaghetti or other leftovers for reheating in the bowl. The lids are well designed and fit well. It's also nice to see they sell replacement lids should I ever need to replace them. Number 1. Pyrex 72014 4-cup glass bowls with turquoise lids. Introducing the Pyrex 72014 4-cup glass bowls, complete with vibrant turquoise replacement lids. This set is proudly made in the USA, offering you quality and style. Crafted from durable tempered glass, these bowls resist stains and odors. The BPA-free plastic lids are designed to resist warping, ensuring a dependable seal for your food. Enjoy incredible versatility as these bowls are safe for oven, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer use. The lids are perfect for refrigerator and freezer storage, and can be used in the microwave when vented. Experience a perfect match with our secure fit design. This lid and dish are specifically engineered to work together, ensuring a reliable seal every time. Cleanup is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe bowls. For the lids, simply place them on the top rack for easy and convenient cleaning. What we like. This pack offers 4 4-cup bowls made in the USA, featuring tempered glass that resists stains and odors. The BPA-free lids provide a dependable seal. If you're looking for medium-sized, durable bowls for everyday use that are easy to clean and maintain, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The glass is thick and durable, and the lids seal tightly, preventing leaks. They are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, making them very versatile for meal prep and storage. The containers are stackable, which saves a lot of space in the refrigerator and cabinets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.